That's right. Take everything out. I mean everything. Don't leave anything inside of your closet. This used to be a small bedroom in my house, and when I moved to Slovenia, I had really nowhere to put my clothes because in Slovenia, people do not have built-in closets like we have in the United States. They have wardrobes. So since this room was very small, I decided to make a walk-in closet, and this is what my closet looks like. I was able to put an IKEA dresser inside of this closet. Once you have taken everything out of the closet, make sure that you clean your closet inside and out. Make sure that you clean everything. The floors, the dressers, the walls if you have to. Make sure you clean absolutely everything. The next thing that you want to do is plan your space. Write it down on a notebook, just like I'm doing here, and I am categorizing how I want my closet to be together. The next thing that you want to do once you take everything out of your closet is to put them on piles. Do different piles by categories. For example, what I have here, these are all of my turtlenecks. In this section here, I have all of my long sleeve shirts. In this section here, I have all of the vests, which are for the winter season. This here is the pile of all of the t-shirts that I have. And in here is the pile that has all of my tank tops. This pile here has short sleeve shirts, and these shirts are a bit dressier than the t-shirts that I have. And in this pile here, I have sleeveless shirts. These ones are a bit dressier than the t-shirts also. This pile here has all of my hoodies and my sweatshirts, and these are for the colder months. And in this pile here, I have dresses. I have dressy dresses as well as casual dresses. In this pile here, I have all of my pants. I have sweatpants, I have jeans, and I also have dressy pants. Make sure that you donate anything and everything that does not fit you or does not spark joy. And remember to take everything that does not spark joy to the nearest donation center. I bought these velvet hangers because they're thin, and I'm replacing all of the hangers in my closet. And I also went and I bought these hanging shelves. These ones here are for sweaters or for anything that you want to put in there. And this slim one here is for shoes. Now these cubbies here are for socks or for underwears. I love these hangers because they're slim and you can fit twice the amount of clothes inside of your closet than with the conventional hangers that you already have. This is what the large hanging shelves look like. And this is how the narrow hanging shelf looks like. This is the one that is designated for shoes. So in here I am in the process of replacing every single hanger that I have inside my closet. This tip is for anybody who has boots and the boots are floppy. Just insert inside of your boots a plastic bottle like the one that I have here. My bottle is for juice and you can insert any type of bottle that would fit your boot, and it's going to keep your boots in an upright position and they will never lose its shape. My closet is finally finished and I am super excited to share with you what the closet looks like. In this section here we built some shelves to store all of my shoes. This here is the first shelf, and on this first shelf I am storing all of the small boots that I have. This here is the second shelf, and on this second shelf I also have some small boots and high heel shoes. This here is the third shelf. I have also high heels and some flat shoes. This here is the fourth shelf, and this one has medium heel shoes as well as all of my sneakers. This is the fifth shelf and it has large boots as well as another pair of sneakers. In here I have a cute little stool so I could sit down and put my shoes on. And in here is a look of all of the shelves that are holding all of my shoes. And this section here is my winter section. This is the bar that is on the left side of the closet. And this one has all of my winter coats and all of my winter sweaters and hoodies. And as you could see here, on the back I'm putting the heavier coats, and on the front I'm putting the lighter sweaters and the hoodies. This section here is that long bar on the right hand side of my closet, and in this section here I have all of my dresses. On this section I have all of the long sleeve shirts, and on this section I have all of the short sleeve shirts. In this section I have all of the sleeveless shirts as well as the tank tops. And on this section here I have all of my dress pants, my jeans, and my sweatpants. And this is how the right hand side of the closet looks like. On this upper section of the closet I have my carry-on luggage, I also have my hats, and I also have some straw baskets which are good for storing anything that is small that you want to keep out of your sight. And in here I have large handbags. This is the left side of the dresser, and this is the first drawer, and in here I am storing all of my bras. On this drawer here I am storing all of my underwears, as well as all of my pantyhose and all of my leggings. And on this drawer here I am storing all of my hats, which are my baseball caps, as well as all of my shorts. And on this drawer here I am storing all of my winter gear. I have my winter hats, my mittens, and anything to keep me warm. And on this drawer here I am storing all of my socks. Remember the sock organizers that I bought? Well, this is what they look like, and this is how they look like with all of the socks inside. You could either put one by one like I have them here, or you could put 2 or 3 socks inside of each of the little holes. On this drawer here I am storing all of my pajamas. In here I'm storing my pajamas that have shorts, and in the 2 baskets I am holding pajamas which have pants. On this drawer here I am storing all of my scarves, as well as some leggings which are very thick and they're like really heavy, and also some of my belts. And on this drawer here I am storing all of the different kinds of bathing suits that I have, as well as accessories for the bathing suits. In this section here I have all of my perfumes. This here is my jewelry box, and right here, this other box right here, the gray one, is storing all of my watches. And then moving along, this box right here is storing my sunglasses. And then if we move along, this other triangular box here is storing my other pair of sunglasses. And then if we move along, this here is my piggy bank. Hey, I need to save some money, right? And this is a whole look of how the top of the dresser looks like. On this drawer here, I am storing all of my wallets, as well as all of my small purses. And on the second drawer I have my travel hair dryer, I have the iron for my hair, and I have a travel mirror. On this drawer here I have my hair products, and I also have some body care products. In this section here I have my spare makeup pouches, which I use whenever I travel, and I also have some body care products. And as you saw this upper shelf before, this is where I have my larger purses, and down here I have the smaller purses. And this is the hanging shelves that I bought, which are designed for sweaters, and I have used them to store my medium-sized purses. And on this section here, I have more shoes. In here, I have all of the sandals and all of the flip-flops. And this is what the finished section of the closet looks like. And remember one thing, your closet floors are meant for you to store things also. You could store a lot of things. You could store your luggage. Like in my case here, I have very few things which I'm storing on the floor. For example, here I have my laundry hamper. And on this little corner here, I have all of my exercise equipment. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I hope I have given you guys inspirations on how to spring clean your closet. Now, as you saw, I have a walk-in closet, but if you have a smaller closet, you could fold things and put more things in your drawers. I have a video specifically for drawers, which I'm gonna put it on the description box below. So thanks for watching. Please give us a like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.